Most people are now aware that indoor air pollution is an issue of growing concern and increased visibility. Many companies are marketing products and services intended to improve the quality of your indoor air. You have probably seen an advertisement, received a coupon in the mail, or been approached directly by a company offering to clean your air ducts as a means of improving your home's indoor air quality. This process involves the removal of debris and dust from your ducts while sanitizing the vents to kill mold and other bacteria. Many people aren't aware of what this service brings to the table. Check out how cleaning and sanitizing your ducts can hold multiple benefits for your health and comfort. Creates a cleaner living environment. Having your air ducts professionally cleaned reduces the dust that would otherwise circulate throughout your living space, landing on your furniture, your bedding, your flooring, just about everywhere. Fortunately, a thorough air duct cleaning reduces the amount of interior cleaning and dusting necessary to maintain a hygienic home. Reduction of allergens. In addition to dust, air ducts frequently contain harmful contaminants and microorganisms. These include pet dander, bacteria, pollen, mildew, mold spores, and similar toxins. People who suffer from allergies, asthma, and other respiratory problems are particularly sensitive to these airborne particles. A periodic air duct cleaning promotes healthier living, otherwise the dirty air in your home just keeps recirculating over and over. Helps everyone breathe easier. Even if no one in your household suffers from chronic allergies or respiratory problems, cleaner air makes it easier for everyone to breathe. Even among the healthiest, dust and pollutants entering the nose and lungs can trigger sneezing and coughing, as well as sinus and bronchial congestion. Air duct cleaning creates a more comfortable environment and promotes well-being. Given the choice between clean air and dirty air, which would you rather breathe? Less chance of needed repair. When you have your air ducts cleaned on a routine basis, there is much less chance that you will need AC repair in Cleveland. Air duct cleaning helps your HVAC technician to keep an eye on potential problems before they occur. Energy savings. By keeping your air duct system clean and fresh, you're likely to see a savings in your energy bill. Your air conditioner and furnace won't have to work as hard to keep your home cool in summer and warm in winter. These major appliances are designed to operate in a reasonably clean environment. By keeping your air ducts clean, these units can run at top efficiency. RC Duct Cleaning is a leading air duct and dryer vent cleaning company in Washington, D.C. We have the equipment and training to do the best possible job of cleaning and decontaminating your entire air duct system. Click the first link in the description to get a free quote.